The second the bath is over, your dog doesn't walk away calm. He explodes. He sprints through the house, crashes into the couch, grabs the towel, rubs his face into the rug, and acts like the bathroom just released a tiny tornado. Most owners laugh and call it the crazies. But those post-bath zoomies are not just excitement. And they're not just relief. For a few wild minutes, your dog may be trying to reset his body, his senses, and even the familiar smell that tells him, "This is me." By the end of this video, bath zoomies will stop looking random and start looking like a message. Picture it. He's soaking wet, dripping on the bathroom tile, and the moment you let go of the leash or the towel, he's gone, flying down the hallway, ears back, eyes wide, legs barely under control. He skids onto the rug. He rubs his whole face against the couch cushion. He flips onto his back on the bed and wriggles like he's trying to scrub something off. Part of this is simple sensory overload finding a release. A bath is loud water, strange pressure, unfamiliar smells, and a body held still against its will. Once that pressure lifts, the energy that built up has to go somewhere, and it comes out as speed. Part of it is physical. Wet fur changes how his body feels, heavier, off balance, foreign. Running and shaking and rubbing against furniture is his nervous system resetting itself, recalibrating until his body feels familiar again. But here's the part most owners miss. A dog doesn't just smell the world, he recognizes himself through smell. His scent is how he knows his bed is his bed, his couch is his spot, even how he understands his own place in the house. When shampoo and water cover that familiar scent, his body may feel different for a moment, not just wet, but unfamiliar. And that can be enough to make him run, rub, shake, and press himself into every surface that still feels like home. That's why he isn't just running. He's rubbing his cheek on the rug, dragging his back across the couch, pressing his whole body into the bedsheets, trying to put his own identity back on, one surface at a time. Watch his breathing during this. Fast and shallow while he's moving, then slower, deeper, as he finally flops down somewhere familiar. Watch his posture too, tense and low while sprinting, soft and loose once he settles. That shift isn't random. That's the moment he feels like himself again. So next time the zoomies hit after bath time, look past the chaos. He's not losing his mind. He's finding his way back to it. If this changed the way you see your dog after a bath, give this video a like, it helps more owners discover behaviors like this. And subscribe to Pet Whispers if you want to keep learning what your dog's body is really saying. Tell us in the comments, where does your dog rub himself after a bath, the couch, the rug, or straight onto your bed? Your dog can't tell you that his body felt strange after the bath. But if you watch the running, the rubbing, the shaking, and the moment he finally softens, his body already told you everything.